Welcome to She and Sha. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a go-to makeup look without foundation, bronzer, highlight, contour, etc. We're just going to be doing with basic stuff. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Starting with a small tip. Before doing your makeup, rub an ice cube all over your face to get naturally glowing skin and also a smooth base. Not only this, it has many such benefits like it reduces the puffiness around your eyes, it lightens the redness of acne and scars if you have any. So for today I have taken fermented rice water ice cube, and if you're wondering what it is, don't worry, we have dedicated a separate video on fermented rice water coming up very soon. I have hormonal acne right now, and this step helps me deal with it very well. On rubbing ice onto your face, you could cure many such problems. Just make sure you wrap the ice cube in a cotton cloth and do not apply it directly onto your face. Next, I have taken Biotic BioCucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan Waters from Nykaa.com. This is a very refreshing toner which gives a healthy glow and helps a lot in closing your open pores. I'm just taking a few drops and applying all over my face and just letting it for a few seconds. Next, I have taken Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer with SPF 24 from Purple.com. This is one of my favorite product of Lakme, and I've been using this for 4 years now, and it's so comfortable to wear. It is not at all heavy on the skin. It has a very good fragrance and has a milky texture that just glides on the skin beautifully. For moisturizing my lips, I'm using Nivea Fruity Peach Shine Lip Balm from Purple.com. It works as a beautiful base for my liquid lipstick, and it just smells so fruity and is very tempting. If you're looking for a daily use lip balm, this is it. Next, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in the shade Nude. This concealer is one of the best concealers and it gives great coverage. It comes with an applicator which makes it very easy to blend. It blends like butter on the skin and it's never looking cakey on your face. I'm just applying it on my blemishes and scars and little under my eyes. I usually don't cover entirely, I just lighten them. To blend it, I have used a beauty blender from a brand called Brain Freezer from Amazon.com. This works quite good for concealing. Beauty blenders are always a good option for blending concealers. I have wet the beauty blender and squeezed out all the water. I am just tapping the product in and not rubbing it forcefully on the skin. Since I am creating a no foundation look, I have gone slightly overboard with concealing. You could always set it with a loose powder or a compact powder, but I am skipping it today. Using the right technique and enough time to blend gives a flawless look. Concealing takes the longest time and greatest effort, but once you're done, it pays off really well. As you can see, this concealer has done a great job. It doesn't really look like I haven't applied any foundation on my skin. So this is the base I have created for today's look. Next, I have used an eyelash curler from Nykaa.com. I have linked all the products below in the description box. Eyelash curlers add extra drama to your eyes. I think you can see the difference, but I really don't know if the video does justice to it. Eyelash curlers does a great job in curling your lashes. It makes your eyes look wider and brighter. For kajal, I had initially taken Lakme Iconic Kajal, but then I realized it has become my quarantine empty. So then I am taking my backup kajal, which is Elitine Eye Drama Kajal. This kajal is a pitch black kajal and it lasts for around 12 hours. I'm just using it on my waterline and also to tightline my upper lash line. Next, I have taken Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara from Nykaa.com. This mascara, I would say, is not a beginner friendly because it does not transfer enough product in just one stroke. Yet it has a good longevity. So I have applied it on both of my lash lines. Sometimes we neglect our lower lash line, but that makes a huge difference. Moving to the eyebrows. I'm using a random eyebrow pencil from a local store. I believe I have thick brows and I needn't line it. So I'm just touching upon it and filling it wherever necessary. Next, with the help of a spoolie brush of an empty mascara, I comb and shape my brows to give them a defined look. Next, I'm using an eyeliner of the brand ADS, again from a local store. This is a sketch or pen kind of eyeliner. I'm keeping it very thin and close to my lash line. I don't require a fancy wing for this look, so I'm cutting it blunt. Since it has a very sharp tip, it is very easy in application and it reaches the inner corners of the eyes very efficiently. Moving on to the last product for the eyes, I'm using a white kajal pencil of Wet n Wild from purple.com. I'm using this to make my eyes pop out and also to give a highlighted effect. Coming to my favorite part, for lining my lips, I'm using Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks in the shade Mild Maroon from Nykaa.com. And this lip liner works wonders with all range of shades. For all the beginners out there, just own one brown lip liner and it would go with all your lipsticks. Next, I'm using one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 13 from Nykaa.com. It's such a cute pinkish nude and I totally love it. Mixing shades is my most favorite thing to do and I end up getting a new shade every time I mix. So on top of this, I'm using Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color in the shade Burnt Brown from purple.com. Doing experiments I think is never wrong. I keep mixing until I get satisfied with a new shade. Finally, for the last step, I'm using Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on in the shade 501, again from purple.com. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm dabbing the product on my cheeks, on my forehead, on top of my nose and on the chin to give it a natural look. So done with the makeup, but for me, Indian look is incomplete without my bindi. As you can see, I have not covered all my blemishes. Instead, I have concentrated on the eyes and on the lips. So this is my go-to makeup look without foundation. That's it for today.
I hope you liked the look. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.